Well, good morning. Well, afternoon. Williams, Philippines. It's about 1 o'clock, Sunday, May 18th. I hope you had a very blessed weekend and that it's been a good one for you. Oy, interesting week. Yeah. I do not suggest, as an old man, going out and shoveling gravel. It does wonderful things. Reminds you why you're not young and that you don't want to be out doing that kind of stuff. Anyway, uh, yeah. Got some stuff in. Yay. Uh, on the odds, you can probably figure out what this means. Yeah, I got something. And tonight at work, I will be getting it out of that big box and getting it out of its box and probably try to film some of it. I don't know. Uh, yeah. And then I'm going to try to start setting it up, I guess, after I get it charged. I don't know. Depends on how much time I have, whether I'm busy or not. Uh, yeah, there's some things that just makes me wonder. uh, Time at work sometimes. You know, one of the reasons I do like my job is because it doesn't require a lot of time to do it. I got a lot of free time. That's a good thing. And sometimes it's busy. Hey, they pay me for 8. Sometimes I get my full 8 as solid work. Sometimes it takes me 3. Yeah, usually 3, 2.5, 3 is the minimum. 2.5 is really the bare bones minimum. That's a pretty much. I didn't check anybody in. Last night I checked in. What was it? 13 and 15 the night before. So actually earning my paycheck this weekend. Some strange reason people want to show up and get a room at 4:30 in the a.m. Yeah, it is what it is. But that's okay. I get paid to work. Whether I have to or not's a whole nother critter. So when there's a bunch of people coming in and out, I'm busy. That's a good thing. My boss loves it. When nobody's coming in and out, my boss hates it, but still has to have me there in case somebody does show up. Uh, it's better to have some people show up this weekend. Yeah, it's good. Uh, and yeah, I'm trying to take and get myself to the Philippines, and you know, I bought my ticket. I got a hotel over there. Got a plane ticket from here to there. Now I need to get the hotel in Dallas, and I'm trying to decide if I, want to try to change my leave on day. Yeah, uh, for a day earlier to get to Dallas, because apparently this little Mac Mini, yeah, it's as old as all get out. I thought it was a 2012. Turns out it's a 2010. Hey, but it's a server. Yeah, it's got issues. Tried to talk to tech support, and pretty much they're saying, well, yeah, you need to bring that into the shop. There's one all the way down in Lubbock that actually works on them. Yeah, 130 miles, 25 miles away. The and that's at a Best Buy in Lubbock. But why don't they have the Best Buy here work on it? Oh, they only work on iPhones. Yeah, I don't know. Part of me says just toss it in one of these balikbayan boxes, ship it to the Philippines, get over there and say, "Hey, you work on Max? Here, play. Get it back to me." Just to see. Because really, all I want to do with it is turn it into what do you call it? A NAS server. Secure it, lock it down, and you know, have it just handle my local area, my pictures and film and such videos. Yeah, I still call it film. Hazard when I played around with photography with my dad, and we had film. We had them in little cans, little 35 millimeter cans. Yeah, I'm old enough to remember film cans. Uh, some kids don't do that. They don't know what it is. It's kind of like the floppy disks, and you know for saving. They think it's at most a little icon if they even understand that. Uh, yeah, but there's actual floppy disks. Crazy thing is I threw out one that was a 5.5 inch, and I threw out a couple. Well, I got rid of the computer that had the 3.5 inch. Yeah, I've gone from seeing the 5.5 inch and 3.5 inch, actually having a old Hewlett Packard portable Vectra CS dual floppy. Yeah, 3.5 inch floppy. That's what operated, and one was operating system, and the other was the uh, storage. Yeah, I think it didn't even have what 16 meg of RAM on it, something like that. It was yeah, it didn't have any RAM to speak of. It's just one of those things. We've outgrown them. Somebody sent me a picture once of some guys in their clean suits, and they're moving this disc that's as tall as this, you know, closet door. And they're moving it on a little dolly through a room. And that was a platter for a hard drive of some sort, of something. I don't remember exactly what was, but he sent me a picture of it, and it was like, oh my God, that's taller than I am. Yeah. All these things that's changed since I grew up. You know, we were going into trying to get into space when I was a child. We made it there when I was still a child, very young child at that point. But yeah, I think 7, 6, 6. Yeah, 6. I remember laying on the floor watching it from in front of the TV, and it was black and white TV. There were color TVs, but there weren't very many of them. I can tell you that. Yeah. Oh, my first TV was a black and white 12-inch that I inherited from my dad because we went up to a 19-inch. Yeah. Went from this big to this big, and it was color. Yeah. So I inherited the old one, and I remember using, because, well, the antennas on those things would always get broke. So You know, you always ended up with a coat hanger in there. Many moons ago, and I saw a couple of pictures of my dad and got me thinking about him. Still got to get some pictures over to my aunt. Bunch of stuff that I'm going to give her, and she gets to choose what she does with it. Anyway, I hope you all have had a blessed weekend. Lots of food, lots of friends, lots of family. And again, more food. I'm always for more food. I don't know. Might have to do with being stupid on Stupid Street. Stupid Street will educate you and make you want to wake up. Whether you do or not is your choice. I know people who still haven't, my age and older, that still haven't. We all get our choices. It is what it is. So, yeah, I don't know about you, but I'm trying to make my life better and become a better person and improve me. Don't really worry too much about working on other people anymore. Whether they get it fixed or not is their department. Again, not me. Anyway, if you like, you can come along for the vlog, daily, whatever. If not, well, that's your choice. Like, comment, subscribe. It's up to you. Do what you do for you. It's always your choice in life. It'd be okay if you could just push a reset button on some folks, but guess what? We don't have one. So it is what it is. Anyway, I hope your weekend was good. Lots of food, lots of friends, and lots of family. Yeah, I'm William. William's Philippines. Even more important, I'm Fish. And hey, guess what? You can come along for a ride. If not, well, I'm fishing. Fish is out. Bye.